Going over Nvidia stock here on Unusual Whales, and in terms of it being updated here on Unusual Whales, the latest firm here that had a price target was on March 20th. So I believe going into the next couple of weeks here for April, we should definitely have some more updated price targets here for Nvidia stock, at least on Unusual Whales. You have 125 here as a hold, SUS 180, Cantor 200, and Mizuho here with 168, all being a buy recommendation. So let's go ahead and take a look at Webull here. Take a look at Nvidia. Current price is 109. If we zoom into the 4-hourly chart here, we recently hit that low of 103.65, and personally, I think we are very close to the bottom here. I'm not trying to personally time the bottom. I already mentioned a lot of times in our previous videos that between 117 and 96, I would be dollar cost averaging. And again, I don't mind dollar cost averaging within those two ranges, especially if I'm long term. We are still below the 200 daily moving average, and personally, in my opinion, within April, I do think we get that retest of the 200 daily moving average, and again, it's right around 127.50 at the moment on the daily chart there. And so if you compare the current price all the way back up to the 200 daily moving average, it's right around a 15 to 16% move, and so that's what I'm personally keeping an eye out for. If you are looking for more downside move, or if you think there is going to be potentially a bigger pullback, right, there is a support level I am watching out for, and that's right around $96, a additional right around 13% drop. Oops, excuse me. Not saying this is going to happen, but it is a possibility to keep an eye out for, and what I would be doing, again, I would be dollar cost averaging. And again, even today, wouldn't mind dollar cost averaging. I would personally look for that 117 to be tested, followed by 124, and then of course the 200 daily moving average. Once we break above the 200 daily moving average, I do think we get that test all the way back up to 132, followed by 142. And 142 here is going to be one of the major resistances to keep an eye out for in order to see a new all-time high. If we are going to test 142, it's going to be right around a 28% move from our current price. If you think the all-time high is going to be tested within this year, again, that's going to be right around a 39% move. And personally, I think Nvidia here is at a pretty good discount. That's why personally I wouldn't mind dollar cost averaging, again, between 117 and 96. I don't like looking for the exact bottom. I personally don't think that's a good idea, and I think having a preferable price range is a better idea in my opinion. And again, those are the resistances as well to keep an eye out for moving into April and possibly May. 117, 124. We can ignore the 200 daily moving average for now. 132, 142, as well as 153 there being the all-time high. If you saw Mizuho's price target on Unusual Whales, that's right around 168, and that is a 52% move towards the top side. Something to keep an eye out for. Take it with a grain of salt. It's not like the analysts also know everything coming into the future, right? And 180 here, going to be right around a 63% move, and if you do believe $200 is going to be tested, well, from current prices there, it's nearly a 82% move towards the top side. So with that in mind, I think this is a dip opportunity. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish on Nvidia short term? And of course, I know many of you guys are long term and bullish on Nvidia long term as well. Let me know your thoughts on the outlook of Nvidia here with its current price at 109. Is it a buy for you? Personally, it is a buy for me. And again, within those ranges of 117 to $96 there. If you don't have a community yet, feel free to join our Discord, link down below in the description. It's also on the link here on the top left if you want to type it in. We have over 32,000 people, and it's free to join. You can look for the Nvidia chat section, as well as if you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, you can join our Patreon. It's totally optional, but we do have a permanent discount going on right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. If we have any available spots, feel free to check out the Patreon link down below in the description, and we'll see you on the next video for Nvidia stock. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful of me just sharing my personal opinion, feel free to like the video and subscribe if you want to support the channel. We're pretty close to 2,000 subscribers here, so thank you.